Hi, I'm Linda with Life on Summerhill and welcome to my home. Today I am going to show you how to clean your kitchen on a daily basis. I have been doing this routine for many years. It's quick, it makes my life so much easier, and that's why I wanted to share it with you because it can make your life easier too. So let's get started. So I'm preparing my lunch, and as you all know, we make a mess while we're preparing. I'm going to be using my cutting board, and I'm going to be probably getting some of the food on the counter. So the first thing you want to do when you clean up your kitchen after every meal is you're wanting to get rid of all the debris, and I'll show you that here in a minute. Okay, so I finished my lunch. So now I'm going to go ahead. I've tidied the kitchen. I've moved everything over to the sink area. I've rinsed things off so that food is not caked on, so that it's easy to put in the dishwasher or to wash. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my dishes, and then my next step is I'm going to wipe the counters off of any debris, and I'm going to scoop that into my hand so that it doesn't end on the floor. Wash my dishes, and I'm just going to let them sit up here and dry on this rack that I found on Amazon that fits over my sink. It's a great drying rack if you're just going to wash a few items, and it keeps your countertop space open, which I really like, because if you have a big drying rack on your countertop, then you lose that space also. So the next step is you're going to take just whatever you were washing your dishes with, and you're going to wipe any debris, any excess water, liquids, either into your hand or into the sink. My sink doesn't have an edge, so I'm able to just scoop it right into the sink. Now, at the end of the day, I will pick up items like this and clean under them. But for this part, I just wipe my counter down where I've been working. Okay, so I think you get the idea. I go on around the room. I also wipe off my range if I've been cooking there. I wipe down the front of my range if I've been baking and cooking. I wipe down the coffee pot. Anything I've been using, I will go ahead and wipe it down. Now, at the end of the day, what I like to do is I like to disinfect countertops. There's two ways we like to do that. My husband likes to use disinfectant wipes, which is a great way to do it. If your countertop is safe for vinegar and water, I like to use vinegar. I use vinegar on my Corian, and it's okay. And my husband uses the Lysol wipes, and it's okay. So this is how I disinfect my countertops. I take a little bit of vinegar, and vinegar's safe for you to eat. So you can even use the rag that you washed your dishes with, and then just wipe down your countertop with the vinegar. And make sure to wipe under things, make sure to wipe along your backsplash. And like I said, this is what I do at night, is I clean everything with a little bit of vinegar. Now once I've cleaned everything with the vinegar, I'll rinse it out real good, and then I'll go back over where I just wiped, just to kind of rinse that vinegar smell off, because it can be kind of potent and strong. So this will get rid of that smell. Vinegar is very safe. So if you're looking for something safe to clean your countertops, this is what I like to use. However, I want you to be careful if you have granite or marble. Make sure it's safe for your countertops. I know it works okay for Corian, but I do not know about other kind of countertops. So I would Google and check it out, or ask your installer who installed it for you. Okay, so the next step, I'm pretty much done at this point on my daily meal routine. But at night, after I finish disinfecting my countertops, after I finish putting up the food, after I've finished washing all my dishes, my next step and my last step is I run my Neato Robot Vacuum Cleaner in the kitchen. Now I will block off the kitchen so that it can't go all through the house, because while I'm watching TV, I don't want it in the living room. So I'll just run it in the kitchen at night so it can pick up any little pieces of debris, like the cat's food, because my cat's a mess and he gets food everywhere. And it'll get rid of other little things that have fallen while we've been cooking, while we've been preparing, and even while I'm cleaning up. I mean, we're all not perfect, and sometimes things fall on the floor. So I will turn on my Neato robot and let you check it out. And I'll also put a link to it here. If you're in YouTube, I'll put a link to it at the bottom so you can go check it out on their website also. So let's go turn on the Neato Robot Vacuum. The really neat thing about this particular robot is she's a D-shape, which allows her to get into corners better than a round-shaped robot vac. Another thing I also like about her is that she has LiDAR detection. So she doesn't use a camera to detect if something's on the floor. She actually uses like a radar to detect what's on the floor. And as you'll notice, she's kind of feeling her way around, and if she sees something or feels something, or however a radar works, she will basically go and spend a few seconds in that one spot and pick up whatever that is. So this is a great example of her getting up against that cabinet. Oh, my dishwasher's new, by the way, and we're going to be painting our cabinets. That's why it doesn't match. But eventually the cabinets will be painted to look just like that light gray color there. So she's doing her work. We'll let her do her work, and then when she's done in here, she'll go home, and then we're all finished for the night, and everything will be all tidy and clean and disinfected. So I hope you guys have found this helpful, and I hope you guys are having a great day. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you soon.